Camco Industries is New Zealand's premium commercial vehicle fit-out company. We think about the big things as much as the little things that can really make a difference to our valued customers. The Canopy cargo barrier is another product innovation from Camco. The barrier is also physically crash tested and certified to AS NZS 4034. The barrier fits selected well side and canopy combinations and suits most models. Product features and benefits include minimal side window intrusion for optimal access and vision, improved fleet safety and compliance, provides a safer place of work for staff, compatible with most Camco products, powder-coated black to prevent reflection. Camco's uniquely engineered, crash-tested design ensures the highest levels of safety for the vehicle and its occupants. If you'd like more information, call us today or visit the website